Hello, I'm Dr. Matthew Strehlow, Chair of Scientific Assembly, and I want to welcome you to ACEP21. These past 18 months as emergency medicine providers, we've lived through such a unique experience. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you and with our colleagues from around the world to share stories and learn about what's to come. For those attending in person, we are doing everything possible to ensure a safe environment. For those attending virtually, we're glad you're taking the time to join us for the world's premier emergency medicine education conference. We have an amazing lineup of speakers discussing the latest innovations in education and clinical practice. Make sure to join our opening session. Pulitzer Prize-winning author Doris Kearns Goodwin will discuss leadership in turbulent times with ACEP President Dr. Gillian Schmitz. Monday night, we will broadcast a candlelight vigil recognizing the impact and honoring the loss we've felt during the pandemic. And we have several other opportunities to socialize and reconnect with one another. 300+ courses, more than 100 exhibitors, attendees from 50 different countries. ACEP21 is bringing us together again, and we are so glad you are part of it. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for everything you do every day for your patients and your communities.